Hello students, today we will do an activity which will be based on a fraction. Well, already about a fraction we have already learned in our previous classes also. Today with the help of a fraction I will teach you how to make a beautiful bird with the help of a fraction. What we have to do is, students, we have to take a colorful paper. Here I have taken 4 different colorful paper. In all this paper, what we have to do, we have to make a circle of any radius. So here students, I am drawing a circle of any radius as I told you. With the help of the compass, I am making a circle. Similarly, in all the 4 papers, you can firstly draw the circles as I am doing. And these radius of all the 4 circles should be equal. And it is a very interesting activity, student, when you will do at your home. So you will see the different types of the diagram figure you can make with the help of this. So student, as I have drawn all the 4 circles in these colorful paper, now what we have to do, student, we have to cut all these papers. So now students, you can see that I have a 4 different colors of a circle. Now what will I do, student, that now I will divide these all 4 circles into a different fraction. Like this one, red color one, I am dividing it into a half. This one 1 by 4, then 1 by 8, and this one 1 by 16. So in that manner now we will do it. So firstly what we will do, student, we will fold this one like this. When we will fold it, so you will see that crease is there. So now we will cut it with the help of a scissor. Like this. Similarly, now this one, yellow color one, I am dividing it into 4 equal parts. So it means your one fraction is of your 1 by 4th part. So now like this, again I am cutting it. So now in this manner you can see, student, that we are getting the different types of the fraction here. You can see, student, this one I fold in a 8 equal parts. So now I will cut it. And now this one I will divide it into a 16 equal part. Okay, like this you will do, students. Here I have folded it into a 16 equal parts. So student, now here you can see that we have a different fractions. This is your half, this is your 1/4, this is your 1/8, and this is your 1 by 16 part. So now with the help of this, now we will make a bird. So students, now with me, let's see how will I do. Firstly, I am taking a half part, and with the help of a glue stick, I am sticking it here. Like this you will also do at your home. Then 1 by 4th part. Like this. Now 1 by 8 part I will take here to stick it like this. Is it clear? Now 1 by 16 part I will take. Like this. You can see student that either I have made a few only fractions I have pasted here, but then also you can see it seems beautiful. I am doing like this, you will also do. Here I will paste 1/8 part for its feather. Now in the same manner we will paste different types of fractions here. Like this, students, we will paste and it depends on you, student, what type of the color you want to use. It depends on you. Okay, it depends on your choice only. It is not compulsory that only these color only you have to use. So you can see, student, that it's a very interesting activity. With the help of the activity we comes to know about the fraction also, and we can make a different pattern here. Okay. So you can see, student, that my bird is ready. You will also make a very beautiful bird at your home. So now I am making eyes of my bird. Clear? It is its leg. So now my bird is ready. Thank you, student. Hope so that you will also try at your home and you will do much better than it. Thank you.